So I posted on my Instagram, what do y'all want to see from your boy today? A vlog or a POV drive? Y'all voted vlog, so we vlogging today. I haven't done a vlog in so long due to me not having an interesting life. But since today we vlogging, y'all look at my Christmas tree, fam. I honestly forgot how to vlog, so excuse me if my vlog skills are very subpar. I'm sorry. I gotta go to Walmart or a Family Dollar joint because I gotta pick up a Christmas tree to deck out the room. I kinda wanna put some Christmas lights all throughout my room to set the vibes, cause you know the vibes. You already know WTFGO. Yeah, sneakerheads be like, kicks of the day, dead stock. Check out my Ashy Larry socks. God damn. Peep the drip of the ash. These past couple of days have been really crazy due to like all the love and support I've been receiving of the RSX, man, and all the love Hybrid Racing has been getting for just being the biggest blessing that happened this year, man, to your boy. Giving me RSX Type S, like, what a blessing. Cha-ching! So I'm on my way to Walmart, I think, I'm not sure. I'm gonna go to Walmart. Why not? Let's go to Walmart. Go to Walmart, go get me a small Christmas tree and some Christmas lights, and decorate my room to set the mood. Get your mind out of the gutter. I'm talking about when I'm playing PlayStation. Whee! 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 This is literally my life every day. I'm just vlogging it. I'm gonna give y'all a vlog. I'm gonna start holding the camera like this so you guys can see more of my face instead of like this. I'm tired of getting roasted. Yeah, they ain't have what I was looking for. Oh no, I don't know. The annoying insecurities hold me close. Now you got it, nigga. I'm back. Say what up, nephew.
What's up, bro?
What? Oh, this nigga boy's deep. They growing so fast. I can't do it. Nigga, I'm swimming on the floor, nigga. Hey, welcome back. You know what it is. Real nigga back in the kitchen. Nah, watch out, boy. I ain't doing no good. Walk out here, nephew. That boy basketball state. What's up with him now? What's up with him? Ooh, drip but drown? I'm drowning. Nev. I mean, y'all watch out of here, man. Hey. Y'all hit the like button and I'll bring a cooking video back. If this video get 2,000 likes, I'm dropping a cooking video. Now! Oh! Nephew got tall. Let's see how tall nephew really is. Yeah, I gotta go. Whoa, what this is, boy? Ooh, I'm finna sell all these. Neff, I don't see my name on none of this.
They don't love you like they used to, man.
Peace out, nephew. All right, home sweet home. Hey, man, I'm about to get lit. Christmas lights, about to hang them up all on my wall. Yeah. I just want you to know I'm here to light up your world. Look at the ice. Look at the... Don't mind that side. I gotta fix that because that's where the cords start for those lights. But don't worry about that. What's up? You like the vibes? Yeah. You might find your next auntie in these vibes. You feel me? Let me stop playing. Hey, congrats on the RSX, bro. Hey, man, thank you, bro. So what you gonna do to it, bro? What's the first? What's happening? What happening? What you doing to it? Well, I fly there next Wednesday, and I already got function form sitting Coilovers there. So, function form, if you're watching this, thank you. I appreciate that. So I have Coilovers there ready for me when I get there Wednesday to install them, and then I should have the car on its way home Thursday morning. So, hey, all right, I look forward to that, Doug. Yo, Deke, fire upon that, Mayo. I'm the GOAT, bro. I'm the GOAT. Legendary. I was thinking, what if none of the car stuff worked for me on YouTube? What would I be filming right now? Like, what type of content will I be making? I don't know, I think I'll be a rapper. You think I could be a rapper? Yeah, this beat is bumping. Got the party jumping. Orange like a pumpkin. I don't eat no dumpling. All I eat is chicken. Yeah, I know I can get signed easily. I gotta be the top 5 to do this. You know what I mean? I might sign an Interscope, or I might stay independent.
That shit is fucking trash, dog.
Huh? I mean, I don't really do much this vlog because this is my life. I don't do much. Like, I really don't do anything, really. But I hope you guys enjoyed whatever this video was. I mean, this is literally what I do every day. I just decided to film it for a vlog. I put a poll on Instagram. Was like, yo, POV K24 or vlog? People say wanted a vlog. You're welcome. Hope you enjoyed it. Now that you watched it, you gotta hit the like button. Go ahead and that like button for you, boy. That'd be greatly appreciated. Yeah, I can't wait to get this RSX, man. Soon, bro. Soon I'm gonna have some content rolling out. Like I did mention earlier in this video, somewhere in this video, once I touch down in Louisiana, I will initiate the install of the function informed coilovers. So that is amazing. That'd be the first that might be the first video that go out of the RSX of the coilover install. Maybe, I don't know. And I named the RSX Nami. Her name is Nami. N-A-M-I. Nami. Nami the RSX. So when I say Nami gets new wheels or new seats for Nami, talking about the RSX. So I had Suki. I wonder if any of the OGs remember the name Suki. Y'all remember Suki? I miss Suki. I got Suki, Christina, Big Body Bertha, Yumi, and now Nami. Oh, that's clean. Oh, peace.